Hi guys, I'm Steven Herrera and today I want to talk about Killer Party, released on DVD from the Warner Archive collection. Killer Party is a cult horror comedy classic released in 1986. It was directed by William Fruitt and written by Barney Cohen. I really like the story, the music, and the quality of this DVD release from the Warner Archive collection. The story is all about three college co-eds who pledge a sorority. Now fast forward to an April Fool's party hosted by this sorority in an abandoned frat house where 22 years earlier one of the frat pledges was killed in a guillotine in a hazing ritual gone terribly awry. So during this party, not long after the fun begins, the spirit of this dead frat pledge possesses one of the three college co-eds, and one by one the guests at this party start getting killed off. This is definitely a slasher film. It was released later on in the cycle of slasher films of the 1980s. I really like the music in this film. You've got songs like White Sisters' April, You're No Fool, Casey and the Sunshine Band's Give It Up, Laura Branigan's A Lucky One, and of course the main titles song called Best Times. The quality of this release from the Warner Archive collection is excellent. It is a remastered edition of the film. I just wish that they would release a special edition on Blu-ray with some special features, because this release on DVD has no special features at all. In spite of that, if you are a fan of horror films, this movie has terror, laughs, and a wild killer party. I highly recommend it, so check out this DVD release from the Warner Archive collection.